Hi people, this is narrator again. Netting. Okay, this is Netting again. Okay, I'm trying to get this side out so I could level it with this side. But the thing is, these roots are so and so. Look at this, long. It was hard time to just get this one out. I'm gonna replant this over here and see if I could get them one by one, little by little, plant them over here so I could open this up and then I don't know, replant it over there or something. I don't know. I just want to get this dirt out, level it, and take this thing out, this thing that I put here, and so it could look nice. So it could have more space and more niceness in there. So I'm gonna put that there. See how much I could get out. They're really there 2, 4. It's just 4 more. It was 5 here, but they don't have really that much space. The leaves grow too big here. So I'm gonna just try to get this out and level the dirt and then put it right back in. So let's see what happens. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I want to show you something. You see this stem? I don't know, the sun is kind of... Okay, right there. You see this? This stem was a little piece of stem in the bottom, right? Here. Let me show you. This piece here, this top piece, was the only piece that it had when I bought this. This is store-bought. And we cut them. We cut these. I put these separate, and I cut the leaves, and I regrew it. So what happened? This grew. Look how beautiful. But now I need to fix this up, because look how beautiful that one is. And I want them to keep beautiful, but they too close together. They don't have space to, to grow. So naturally I'm going to have to cut these seeds down, showing that you can see you could buy these things. Just buy this and check before you buy them, check this part. If it has a piece. If it has a piece of this, of the bottom part, just buy those. We bought one that had like 7 of these, and some of them died, some of them didn't. The ones that were there, I think was 5. That means 2 of them died. So, but we still have that. And these leaves, and when you buy them store-bought, you get this humongous leaves. You don't get that when you buy the plant. It could be like very skinny, like this part, around this part like this big. It doesn't come down until you maybe plant it, and maybe it'll have that much roots. I don't know how much the other ones, the recao, has, but I'm not gonna try. They're not that strong, so I'm not gonna try this like I did over there. I'm gonna put them together, and that way I have more space to put them. This one I'm gonna leave it right there, but I want more space that they could spread their their leaves, and they could give more leaves. So we'll be right back. Okay, the ones that I transplanted, I cut all their leaves. I'm not gonna throw it away. It's right there. I'm gonna wash them real good and save them up. And we do not touch these unless it's this one that is okay. We don't touch the cut ones unless it's absolutely necessary, which I don't think is gonna happen. So I cut all the baby ones that were still cut. That one was coming. They had one still, little baby ones coming out, and I chop it off. Now I'm not gonna let them for a while until I see that they go back to their normal ways of living. And as you can see, they look beautiful. They don't look like they're going through major disaster. And this one right here, look how pretty. But we're gonna leave it without any leaves, and let them new ones come out because they need strength. I'm gonna put some vitamins in there and water them a little bit, and they should be good as new. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time.